有请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes a song by Huang Yuhan called Haya, which means midnight. Have you ever spent some time alone during the middle of the night feeling lonely, but yet we have lavish lives online? Well, that's what she is singing about. Let's take a listen.这首歌呢叫做哈呀，就是半夜的意思。有的时候我们在这种时刻会感到非常的孤单，而黄雨涵就说，不妨在这个时候先沉淀下来，与自己对话，来面对问题，这就是他要带给大家的启示。Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for listening to another Hakka song on ICRT.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.